Hello everybody, this is the unboxing of the Walmart Hunter Master Grade Guide. Now initially, when I first bought this from HobbyLink when they got it back in stock, I was thinking it was a newer one. I thought it was like 2013, but it's actually 2006. Not sure where I got the 2013 from, but I mean, not a big deal, it's just not quite as new as I was expecting. So it might not be quite as good as I was thinking it would be, but I don't. 2006, they were doing like the crossbow, so should be pretty good still. I don't see a big deal with that. It does have the polycap, so yeah, they were still doing the polycaps. I mean, I do think the X1 was the first without polycaps. I could be wrong. I'm not, if not the first, probably one of the first. And then we have the actual lower legs. They're like one chunk, which is interesting. And I really like the effect part for the rapier, I think. It also wants to show the missiles firing out of the shield. That's cool. And I think this is an LED, I believe. Not sure how it'll. I only see a little few pieces, but okay. Precursor to the round ones we have nowadays, I guess. And then we have the pilot. I didn't think they were still doing these in 2006. I thought they stopped around 2003. Whatever. And then we have marking stickers and decals. And good old instruction manual. I love this thing. I really do. And yeah, back here they were showing like a black border for exactly what you needed, I guess. Which is a good idea. I would never pay attention to that really. I just look at the letters and the numbers as always. Kinda hard to change how you do something after 15 years. Actually longer than that. Like, God, almost 20, really, when I started. Okay. I don't know why, for the longest time I thought these big round things were the missiles. But it's the border. Those are like the mine thingies, which are kind of useful and kind of funny in Gundam Battle Operation 2. Kind of looks like he poops them out. And that's it. So I'll see you all in the next review.